What's up, guys? Welcome to today's market trading recap, and woo boy, what a way to start the week, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're coming off of a 3-day weekend, holiday weekend here in America. Everybody thought today was going to be kind of a slow day, and check this out. Volume turns green today. Market just rips. All right, let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a long-term subscriber, appreciate you. And if you're serious, and I mean serious, about learning how to run your technical analysis in the market on clean charts like this, then I do believe I got something special for you. All right, folks, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action chart on the S&P 500. Again, this is from today. I don't cherry pick. Today is the day after a major holiday. Everybody thought it was going to be slow, all right? But not active day traders. I keep having to remind you guys out there, don't make assumptions about the market, because you never know when the volume's going to come in, right? And speaking of volume, okay, this green and red color band that you guys see overlaid on top of the chart on a daily basis, this is our volume-based indicator tool. This can potentially detect volume coming into the market and hitting either the bid or the ask, right? If the volume indicator turns red, it means that the sellers are in control at this point. And if the volume turns green, it means that the buyers are in control at this point. And boy, were they in control today. All right, I can almost guarantee you that this is going to be the most attractive and gorgeous chart style that you've ever seen in your entire life. This doesn't come anywhere near your garbage candlestick indicators and your Bollinger Bands. This stuff, this is clean. Volume, in my opinion, volume's the only indicator that can tell you the truth. Want to know why I say that? Well, look at this. Watch me blow your mind right now. Look at this. Folks, look at the overnight session. Okay. The volume indicator on this chart turned from green into red at this exact moment in time. Now, yeah, it happened in the overnight session, but volume is volume, folks. All right? You never know when the large traders are going to come into the market. But you know what? They always give you a clue, right? That's what this color change means, right? That volume has now entered the market. There are more sellers than there are buyers at this moment in time. And what this indicator is telling you is that the probabilities favor a potential sell-off. And this was 500 ticks or pips, if you follow in Forex, straight down. Okay? So don't tell me that volume doesn't work. All right? And then just a couple of short hours later, ladies and gentlemen, the volume turns green right over here, and the market just rips for another 500 potential ticks. Okay. Anyway, guys, big shout out and big congratulations to all you guys who did take advantage of the special promo that I was doing over the weekend. This is really just a one-time promo that I do once a year. All you guys who opted in and all you guys who actually used it today on your first day, man, I got to take my hat off to you. Talk to some of you guys. I don't want to name any names for privacy reasons, but a big congratulations to all you guys, especially all you guys that onboarded on Saturday. I'm so glad that my software was able to deliver for you. I mean, that's what's important to me. Okay, I want my customers to find success. I want my customers to find pleasure in looking at these charts. And let this be a lesson to all you guys who missed the boat the first half of the year, or maybe a lot of you guys might not believe in a volume indicator, and that's fine, right? I can only do so much with presenting the data and the information, and it's up to each individual trader out there to make their own decisions. The best traders in the world are very decisive, right? The worst traders in the world are indecisive. But you know what? The only indicator that tells the truth both on a sell-off and on a rally. You know what that indicator is? It's volume. Volume is the only indicator that will tell you the truth. So again, big congratulations to all my new customers. I hope all you guys killed it today in the market on your first day. You could not have asked for a better day to rock and roll and get started. Today was another day for the record books, and I know that you guys can't wait to see what the market does next. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.